Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through Linksys router blinking red light. What to do if Linksys router blinking red light. What does Linksys router blinking red light means? The blinking red light on a Linksys router typically indicates that the device is not properly connected to the modem or internet service provider, ISP. This could be caused by loose or damaged Ethernet cable connections between the router and modem, incompatibility between the router, modem, and internet service provider, outdated router firmware that needs to be updated, power issues such as a faulty power outlet or loose power cable. What to do if Linksys router, blinking red light. Fix 1. Update the router's firmware. Connect to the router via Ethernet. Enter the router's IP address into a web browser. Log in as an admin. Go to the firmware or update page. Check for an update. Download the latest firmware if prompted. Extract the firmware file. Upload the file to your router. Fix 2. Check router modem connection. Unplug the Ethernet cable connecting the router to the modem. Wait a few seconds, then plug it back in, ensuring it clicks into place. Check that the Ethernet port on both the router and modem are functioning properly. Ensure the modem itself is powered on and functioning correctly. Power cycle the modem by unplugging it, waiting 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. Fix 3. Reset the router. If the red light persists, perform a factory reset of the router. Locate the reset button on the back of your router. With the router powered on, use a paperclip or similar object to press and hold the reset button for about 15 seconds. Wait for the router to fully reset and power back on. Fix 4. Contact Linksys support. If the troubleshooting steps outlined do not resolve the blinking red light issue on your Linksys router, the next recommended step is to contact Linksys support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.